Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see 5 job recruitments which are from different companies. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel as we regularly update off campus drives on our channel, and also we upload interview preparation related videos on our channel. So let's start with today's video. So the first recruitment is from IBM, which is for the post of intern. So IBM is hiring for the batch of 2023 for internship position. Now you can go ahead and read the responsibilities. You will be working on product ideas, incubation projects, strategic initiatives. You will be working with the senior leaders and mentors to define scope. So the required educational requirements are basic understanding of programming language Java preferred, knowledge of cloud and cognitive computing, proficient in data structures and algorithms. Preferred technical proficiencies are a positive attitude, willingness to take in challenges and move forward to find a solution. Required educations requirement are educational degree, bachelor's degree in BTech, BE or relevant fields, or if you have master's degree then also you can apply, but make sure you are a batch of 2023 pass out, then only you can apply, as this is the position for intern. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Velocio. So Velocio is hiring for the associate software engineer, entry level or fresher, remote friendly. So the location is Pune or Maharashtra. You can go ahead and read the job description. So let's see the requirements. Project or internship with coding experience in either of JavaScript, Python, Golang or Java, etc. Web development expertise with React, Node.js or similar frameworks will be a bonus. Basic understanding of computer science fundamentals like databases, web application architecture, etc. Good understanding of DSA. Bonus points if you have contributed to open source projects. Bonus point if you have experience knowledge with cloud service providers. Communication should be good. BE, BTech, MTech or equivalent experience. So these are the roles and responsibilities that you have to perform. And in order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply for this job and you have to fill your basic details. So this job is for freshers, so if you don't have relevant experience also you can apply for it, as this is a entry level position. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Vodafone. So Vodafone is hiring for a junior software developer, and the description of the job is given, and these are the job responsibilities that you have to perform. Let's check the qualification details. So the qualification details are not mentioned clearly. So if you are a fresher and you have done your bachelor's in computer science, then you can apply for it, as they require the skills in domain like maintain and repair, monitor and diagnosis, implementation and integration, like this. So you can apply for it. So in order to apply for it, just click on apply now button. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Cisco. So Cisco is hiring for software engineer, internal applications, new grad. So let's have a read about the educational qualifications. So for software engineer, internal applications, you should have problem solving skills, passionate about technology, ability to work efficiently as a part of collaborative team. You should have proficiency in programming languages like C, C++, Python, Node, JavaScript, Java. Proficient in cloud and cloud connector. Proficiency of CI/CD tools. Familiar with business ERP applications such as Salesforce, Oracle, SAP integration with other internal applications, grasp of distributed systems, solid programming background in object-oriented development, understanding of thread synchronization and other OOPS concepts. So educational qualifications required are currently pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or information science, CGP of 8 and above. The requirement is for 2022 pass outs only. English written and verbal communication skills must be fluent in English, comfortable in fast-paced and dynamic environments. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Accenture. So Accenture is currently hiring for associate software engineer. The salary would be 4.5 LPA and the job location would be pan India, that is different locations of Accenture offices. So you can read the job description here, and the eligibility criteria is all streams or branches of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc, that is from CSE or IT branches only, from 2022 year of pass outs with full-time education only. Part-time education and distance education will not be considered. Note is MBA or PGDM candidates are not eligible to apply for this role, as this is for software engineer position. So MBA or PGDM candidates are not eligible. No active backlogs during application or during onboarding. You should have completed your relevant degree in the stipulated duration of degree, hence there should be no gaps during your education. You must complete your bachelor's degree in 4 years or MTech or MSc in 2 years. Candidate should not have appeared for Accenture assessment in the last 3 months, should not have more than 11 months of experience, must be eligible to work in either by citizenship, have relevant work permits. So these are all the educational qualification requirements for applying for Accenture. So Accenture offers a very good package to freshers. So if you are a fresher and you are looking for a job, you can apply for Accenture. So that's all for today's job recruitments. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive such regular updates. And if you want us to make video on some specific topic, you can ask that in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.